Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training and structural. So in our last episode, or our last assignment, we made detail views. We made one for here. I'm gonna just, yeah, so we got one here. I can just double click this guy, and this is what we're gonna get here in that view. I think we went through these, so I'm gonna get started here. So in this exercise, oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me make videos like this. And anybody have any questions, so please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 4,000 subs or more. So anyway, we're going to look at annotations today, annotating these reinforcing drawings. So first of all, we want to go into our annotate tab here just to get in here now. And so these stirrups or these bars in this view, I'm going to select them. Now here you get in our properties, it tells us everything. Get the mark scheduling for scheduling the spacing, and we can adjust these here. I can actually go in here and say 9 inches if I like. You all know that. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it at 9 just to have a little difference here. So now what I'm going to show you is we have we're back in annotate, so we want to select this. So we have several options here. These options. So right now, let's look at this one, this first one, and it basically singles out one rebar. So that's basically what it does. It says one rebar, and then they can go into this one, and it says show all, and then you pick up all the rebars from that, and that works with this one as well. So select it. And then on this one, you can pick the ones you want. Say, I want to pick, say, this one and this one. Finish. Well, that's basically, I got it going too deep. So let's go into this section here. And let's do a little something here. First, I'm going to undo this. And I'm going to go into the roof elevation, or let's go, I know why it's cutting that way, so I'm going to go look into one of these details. I think it was, let me see, let's just open this one up and select the cut line, and let's just pull this back to there. I don't really need to see that far back in that detail, so hopefully that'll pick up in my detail view as well. So now I'm going to select the bar, and then I'm going to select center bar. Okay, now that's good. So this is just showing the center bar because, you know, some places you don't have to see all the rebar. I know in most cases, a lot of engineers don't, because they like to keep things simple. So now, how you detail this is fairly simple. I want to go into my, I want to select these here. And in this case, I'm going to do the one for central. And there it is. So now we want to annotate this with multi-rebar. You select this, and we'll just go align rebar, and we'll select this guy, and there's our rebar. And then you see here, you'll get the number 8. So let's push it out there. Let's do that like that. So we got number 8s in here. Now, we can also go back here, and just in case your part of the world wants to see this, so I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to show all. And then you'll see the annotations will show all of the rebar. And then here we can do the same thing here. I'll just do center for this one, just so we can get a good idea how this works. We'll see the different options here. So here it's going to, I'll tell you what, let's do center. I'm going to show you 2 of these. So here's center. Sorry, select it. I think I got that same, no I don't. I'm going to select this one. Show middle. And there's the middle bar shown. Or in some cases we can show multiple bars. So I'm gonna Joe for this top one. Let's see how we would go with the multiple bars here. So I'm gonna go with just select it, and I want to show all, and then here I want to go show. I want to pick, say, let's go one here, one there, and one here, and then we gotta finish this. Oh, I'm sorry, that was the subtraction. So that was just reverse. So here, okay, so I'm gonna show them all. And this is the one I want it to be in. I want this to show that one. Let's show that one. Let's get one, say here. And then we'll finish it. And then, okay. I want to show all these. Oh, I'll do central. Oh, this is a good one here. So they're showing the first and the last for that one. So basically, these commands allow you to give symbology, whereas you wouldn't normally use. So I'm going to grab it here. So learn these. They're going to be pretty useful. For this one, I'm going to go with the middle again. Select my stirrups. Middle. Okay, now I want to do a dimension here. You know, we definitely always want to use this one. Aligned. Oh, I didn't get aligned. I got multi-rebar. So let's go with aligned. And there's our leader. So we got 25 number 4s in there. And then if I want to show them all, I'll select this and we'll show all, and you'll see all of our rebar dimensions and whatever, so forth. So that's good. Now once we get that done, now we want to go into our annotate categories. So we're going to annotate by category, and here we'll just select these. So he's got our number. This is our column. This is going to be my footing here. And then a rebar. This is number 8. Okay. So that's basically it. So you just go in and do a tag by all, tag by category. So I just wanted to basically show you this. Now what's going to happen now is we got all these done, and we got the luxury of going back and forth here, which is a good thing, because sometimes they do want to see this. But for now, I'm going to leave that there, and then I'm going to go look at, say, our detail 2. Or let's open this one up. Now in this view, we can do the same thing. We still in our tag command. There's our number 8 bar. There's our column. And we can go look at our other ones here. Same deal. We want to annotate, tag by category. We've got our number 8 bars here. That's typical. And then we're going to call out our columns as 18 by 18. And this is a number 4. Now we got the luxury here of doing this, so I can select this guy. I'm going to select this. This is a number 4. Let's make this a number 5. So it's smart enough and powerful enough where we can update the annotation as well. So everybody, thank you for watching my video. I'm going to move on with this assignment. Next, we're going to place these on the sheets. So we've got our structural annotations going on. And hey, y'all, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the video. We're moving on here. I'm sorry. Tab views. Okay, and then here I kind of like the show the rebar, so I can just simply go show all rebars. That's simple. And then, like I said, we got the power enough to turn it on and off, show all rebars. So hey folks, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this, and everybody be safe. Thanks again. Bye. Be safe, y'all. Bye.